slag's building up. Give it a pull, keep her clean. Run smooth.
Loosening the clamp. All right, free now. Slide her out nice and slow. Heavy piece, watch the weight. Set it down in the cradle. There we go, good.
Easy, coming straight. Yeah, you're centered. Another foot, don't be that. Bring it down, good, bring it down a touch. Lowering, hold it. Seats in the brackets, nice. I'll grab the ring. Go ahead, I'm on it. Hold one tightening, good. Second one. Locking ring going on. Solid, look straight.
Line it up, a little more this way.
Got it, hold it steady. Go ahead, coming down.
Each ready on the end.
Swing, one more. That's it, bring the hoist back.
Closing it now.
Final hit.
Solid, ratchet.
Locked, we're good.
Nice work, boys.
Let's snug this up a little more. There we go. Ratchet it down till it bites. You can hear it bringing the turret in. That's tight. Lock the handle. Not going anywhere now.
Nice and even. Cover it.
Alright, nice and tight. I'm gonna hold it. Neck goes over, straps down. It's not going anywhere.
All right, second road wheel. Crack it loose. There it goes. Nut off. Impact coming on. Copy. Old wheel out. Hub looks clean. New one sliding on. And snug. Tight and solid. Should roll smooth now.
All right, this hub's ready. First, drop the wheel in. That's it. Chain in place. Let's run the nut home. Good. Wheel slides on. Line up the splines. Pin goes through. Give it a spin. Nice and smooth. Now we start feeding the links on the sprocket. One by one, they lock in. We'll run the rest around.
Copy that. Rolling forward. A little more and stop. Stopping. Chuck some chains on. Alright, she's centered. Good to go. Roger that. Rolling out.
Loader up. Fire. New round loaded. Ready on target 2. Fire. Hot. Impact. Good. Gun clear.